Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use text XML files. XML, or Extensible Markup Language, is a versatile tool for storing and transporting data. It's designed to be both human-readable and machine-readable, using a set of rules to define documents. Think of it as a structured way to organize information, making it easy to share between different systems and applications. We'll cover its core concepts and practical applications. Understanding the basic structure is key to working with XML. Every XML document starts with an XML declaration, like a blueprint. Crucially, it must contain one root element, which acts as the parent for all other elements. Inside this root, you'll find nested elements, each with an opening and closing tag defining specific pieces of data. This hierarchical arrangement makes data organization clear. To read and edit XML files, a simple text editor works perfectly for manual adjustments. For more complex tasks, programming languages like Python or Java offer robust libraries to parse and manipulate XML data efficiently. When making changes, always ensure your XML maintains proper syntax. Even a small error can invalidate the entire document. Tools can help with validation. For best results, always validate your XML against a schema, like an XSD, to ensure data consistency and correctness. Specialized XML editors provide syntax highlighting and auto-completion, greatly simplifying the editing process and reducing errors. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. These practices help maintain clean, functional XML files, making your data management much smoother and more reliable for any project.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.